Discover a home onto the next level and experience a lifestyle that you and your family deserve at an affordable price. Harbour Park Residences is one of the several green building compliant condominiums in the Philippines. We are environmentally responsible and more than ready to bring you an innovative and cost-effective lifestyle soon. Harbour Park Residences pre-selling by year 2022-2023. 2 towers neoclassical architecture. 530 JP Rizal, Vergara Mandaluyong City few steps away from Makati City. Accessible to E-Sakay, Jeep and Tricycle. Near schools, hospital, church. Free smart home system. 3M to 3.5M 1BR or 2BR combined 27.20 SQM to 40 SQM. Inclusive of balcony. Flexible payment terms. Promo discount for buyers. Own it for PHP 10,000. Want to own your unit now? Call, message, ELVIRA 0942975140.